YouTube. I just want to come on here because it's Blockness month that we make a video for 25 days. So this will be my second vlog day. I'm going to share what I did on Saturday evening. I went to like a you can see on the screen. Um, you see correlation. I don't know the correct term for this, but it was fun. It was enjoyable. You know, seeing different types of cars. I don't know what you call these cars. I have to apologize. So I'm starting to get into cars. So yeah. So I'm doing a voiceover because it was too loud for me to record me. You know, just hearing what I think about it and telling y'all what I saw. So I'm just gonna describe what I see while I'm watching this. Right now it was like the beginning of the race and everything. They was just racing. Then some cars got stuck, some cars got flipped over and tipped over. But every time a car had been tipped over, I always missed something. So I don't think I got any shots of that in this blog. But yeah, I went by myself um because I need to start going out by myself without anybody. So it was enjoyable, but I had friends was there, so I wasn't alone and everything. But yeah, and I'm gonna put some pictures up that I took of the cars and my favorite car. I had one favorite car that I liked that he was that car was beat the rest of these cars. So yeah, so but I hope y'all enjoyed this short little video. I wasn't I did see a car had got stuck right there. Um um I think it kind of flipped over or something like that, and you see everybody is coming to help him out. So yeah, but that's what I'm saying. I hope everyone enjoyed this little video. Like I wish I could show my face, but the whole thing is about vlogging and showing people what you did. So I hope I could continue to vlog every day, even if I don't go out every day. But hopefully I could record have somebody record me at the gym. 'Cause I go to the gym 3 days out the week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then Wednesday night I go to a dance class, and I did go to a boxing class, but the boxing class wasn't what I expected. I feel like it's not more it's not more. I feel like the person who's teaching the boxing, I feel like he's not alive with it. So I don't go no more. But I'm trying to find a different um a different class for Tuesday night. So yeah, and this part right here is you see the red truck, um they fixing the I guess probably the dirt or whatever it is. Like I said, I apologize. You know, I'm not used to going to these type of events. So yeah, they just fixing up the 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 I won't say road, but they're fixing up the dirt for the for their last race. So yeah, um And right here, they're getting ready. Um, I don't know if this the last. Yeah, this is the last race, and it's 25 cars on one track. So that was kind of awesome. I couldn't watch the last race because I had to go. I had to go home, but I got some of it. So that was kind of cool seeing. I think it was 25 cars on one track. So, and the stadium I went to, it was the name is stupid because they always change the name of the stadium because it was the SoftBank Arena, but now it's something else. And it was because I live in New Jersey, so it was in New Jersey, Trenton, New Jersey. So it wasn't crowded or nothing. I did show the stadium. It was not crowded, but um yesterday, Friday. Yeah, so now they just getting ready to race the last race and stuff. Guys, please let me know what you think about this camera. This camera is so awesome. Like I'm still trying to learn how to do like different shots and do slow mo and fast mo and all that good stuff. And I will be putting the pictures up while the video is going, so it'll be going at the same time. So yeah, so they took a long time getting this race going because they was announcing every race, well, every driver that was in each car and where they was from. So yeah, but I'm not gonna make this over voice too long. I'll put some music to it. Um, I'll see what I'm gonna do. I don't know yet because I don't want to make this video too long because I cut out so much because I like to record as much as I can so I could take out the best clip that I had record or that I had took pictures of. So pretty soon they're gonna start going, hopefully. But yeah, so I hope everybody do blog and just share their life, share what they do daily